Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow shortcuts to delete large amounts of data on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings we're going to go down and tap on shortcuts. In here, tap on Advanced. Now tap on Allow deleting large amounts of data. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or turn off. And it said that if you turn this on, you can delete large amounts of data when you are using shortcuts. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.